Hello, hello, hello. How are you all doing? I told you last week that I was actually going to be doing a video today about how to leverage time. You can see my puppy. He looks like he's standing on my shoulder. He's not. He's people watching out the window and he's having a fabulous time. Anyway, this video is going to take a little bit of a twist today because I actually just got news that one of my friends is scheduled to gain her wings in a very short period of time. So I think it's important to talk about leveraging time because, quite frankly, none of us know exactly how much time we have. And when you look at time, when you really focus on time, we've all got 24 hours in a day, right? We've all got 60 minutes in an hour. And if you look at how you spend or how you invest that time, it's getting you what you got today. And so if you want what you got, keep going, keep on doing it because you've cracked the code. But if there's something missing, then what happens is you take a look at your 24 hours and how do you have that divided up? Now, in order to have balance, there's usually 8 hours working, 8 hours sleeping, and 8 hours having fun. So my question to you is, when is the last time that you had fun? I know a lot of people that work a lot. I know a lot of people that I don't know that they some people give up some sleep in order to do other things, but it's important to incorporate those three things into your everyday, because if all that you do is work and you have no fun, you get exhausted. If all that you do is have fun but you don't work, well, I mean, you got a different set of problems. And if you're not sleeping for your 8 hours a day, your body isn't able to restore the way that it needs to in order to be able to work at its best. Now, I'm not saying actual shut-eye, but you need at least 8 hours of rest in a day to be able to rebuild, right? Got it? Now, when you think about dividing the day up, that's one thing, but let's go a little bit deeper into the 8 hours that you spend working. 8 hours of working, is it productive working or is it busy being busy? How many times have you had to do something and you dread it, so you put it off? If you dread it, do it first. Because if you put it off, then you have to think about it. And you didn't like thinking about it the first time, right? So a lot of times, if I have something that I absolutely cannot stand, I make sure to get that out of the way first, because then it's done and I don't have to think about it. When you get to the fun side of things, I think it is really important to schedule that in. If it's been a long time since you had some fun, what is it that's fun? Take some time and figure that out, because if it's all work and no play, that's a great recipe for burnout. It's a great recipe for just not feeling rewarded for your effort, right? And so what do you do to reward yourself? What do you do to make your life better? It's not working harder, it's working smarter, right? So being able to decipher what is fun and schedule it like it is work, because you deserve that. And then what is it that really gets you to have a good night's sleep? What's your go-to? Is it a nice hot bath before you go to bed, or maybe a warm shower? Do you read? Do you do some kind of meditation or stretching? Do you work out during the day and so that you can get yourself actually tired so that you get some good shut eye? Do you, the one hack that I had heard, I'd love to hear what your best sleeping tips are. It was pistachios. Somebody said that if you eat pistachios before you go to sleep, that it helps kind of get some better rest. Drinking lots of water, obviously, when you're hydrated. Breathing helps as well. So I would love to hear in the comments below, what is your best tip for staying productive? What do you do to get a great sleep? And what do you do for fun? Comment below. I love to see that. And I hope that you're making the best use of your time. Bye for now.